To adjust the audio settings on the AVH-P4400BH, let's start by touching the Home button. And here, across the bottom, we can go to our audio settings. The first one is our fader and balance control. We can adjust fade and balance by touching that, opening the menu, and we can adjust our fade from front to rear, and we can adjust the balance from right to left. When you're done making that adjustment, you can go back. Next is our graphic EQ setting. Here, we can make adjustments to the EQ presets and custom adjustments. You can get more information by watching the individual graphic EQ video. We'll go back now. The next button, which is grayed out right now, is the Auto EQ. If you have the optional CDMC20 microphone, you can have the system automatically create an equalizer curve. Next is our Sonic Center Control. We open that. We can see we can steer the stereo image across the front of the vehicle with Sonic Center Control. We'll go back. Next is our loudness control. Right now loudness is turned off. We can switch loudness on to the low setting, mid, or high. One more touch, we'll switch loudness off again. Next is our subwoofer menu. Right now our subwoofer is turned on. We're going to open that menu. Subwoofer is turned on. We can touch that to turn subwoofer off. We'll switch it back on. Our phase right now is set to normal. We can switch the phase to reverse and switch it back to normal. Our level, we can cut or boost the level of the subwoofer output. And with frequency, we can choose the crossover frequency from 50 Hertz up to 125. We'll go back out and scroll down. Next is our bass boost, where we can add additional bottom into the system if we want to. And we have our high pass filter. Right now is switched off. We can turn that on and choose a crossover frequency for our high pass filter. The last one in our audio menu is our source level adjuster, right now set to 0. So I'll touch that to open the menu. Source level adjuster is here so that when you switch between audio sources, like between iPod and the radio, you don't get a giant jump in the volume level. So here, our source is iPod, and we can change the iPod's volume compared to FM. We can make it a little louder or a little softer as compared to FM. When you're done making that adjustment for each source, you can go back to the audio menu.